Welcome students. Today let us start with our practice set 4 of chapter number 1. In previous videos you must have watched how to construct a triangle. In practice set 3 we have seen how to construct a triangle when two sides and one angle was given. Now let us start another construction in practice set 4 when two angles are given to you and one side is given. Let's construct it. See the first question. In triangle SAT, length of AT is 6.4 centimeter. Measure of angle A is 45 degree and measure of angle T is 105 degree. Now two angles are given and one side is given to you. So let's see how to do its construction. You know now, whenever we are starting with the construction of triangle, we start with a rough figure. So let's draw the rough figure. The name of the triangle is SAT. So let's draw the one rough triangle. Just name it. What's the name of the triangle? SAT. Now what are measurements given to you? Just write it down. Now only one side is given. Length of AT. AT is down. It is 6.4 centimeter. And two angles are given to you. A is 45 degree and T is 105 degree. So now in practice set 4 you will see that one side and two angles will be given to you. Let's see how to construct. After constructing rough figure, let's construct the fair figure. Always start with the base AT. How much it is? 6.4. So let's draw 6.4 centimeter. So I have taken AT 6.4 centimeter. Now angle A 45 degree. So place with the help of protractor. Place your protractor on A and take 45 degree now in it. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 and 15 between that, this will be, fifth line will be 45 degree. So make a ray like this. 45 degree. This is your 45 degree. Now place it on T. T is how much? 105. So place your protractor properly on T. See, it is properly placed. Its center and this line is straight. If you are placing on T, you have to look from this side, outside 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105. After 100, this will be your 105. So here it is 105. So just make it. As they both are not intersecting, just you can extend this line, this ray, sorry. Extend this rays so that they can meet at one point. So this is your point S. So this is your required triangle SAT. AT is 6.4 centimeter, angle A is 45 degree and T was 105 degree. Extend this rays so that they meet at one point to get the vertices of the triangle. So this is your required triangle. Now let's move to the second sum. In triangle MNP, NP is, length of NP is 5.2 centimeter, measure of angle N is 70 degree, measure of angle P is 40 degree. So children, let's draw the rough figure first. What's the name of the triangle? MNP. So let's draw it. First rough triangle. Let's name them MNP. Put its measurements. NP is 5.2. So here down it is this side. Then angle N is 70 degree and angle P is 40 degree. So let's draw it. As you know that we always start with the base. So NP is 5.2. Mark 5.2 in the with the help of scale. This base is done of the triangle 5.2 centimeter. Now mark the angles. Put the angles with the help of a protractor. Angle N is 70 degree. So place your protractor on N properly. Look from inside 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So this is your 70. After that, make a ray. Place your protractor on P now. If you place it on P, you have to look from this side 0, outside. Here it is 40 degrees. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 is here. Just draw this ray also. Draw in such a way that they will intersect each other. like this, and here where they intersect both the rays, that will be your third vertex of the triangle, that is M. So this is your required triangle MNP. N was 70 degree, NP was 40 degree, and NP was 5.2 centimeter. So is it clear, children? When one side and two angles are given to you. Now let's move to the third sum. In triangle EFG, length of EG is 6 centimeter. Measure of angle F is 65 degree. Measure of angle G is 45 degree. So children, let's draw the rough figure first. This is your rough figure. Name of the triangle is EFG. If I am giving the name like this, FG, it's coming down, and FG is not given to me. The side I want it down. Here EG is given, so I have to start give the name like this: E, F up, and G here. Then only I'll get the side down. So EG I am getting it down now. So EG is 6 centimeter. Angle F is given 65, up is 65, this F is 65, G is 45. Again there is a problem, I want E, because two base angles I want now. To get it E, last year you have learned the property that in a triangle the sum of all three angles is 180 degree. So I know this measure of angle F is 65, G is 45. I can find out the E by using that property. So let me find out that angle E's measurement. So I'll write like this: in triangle EFG, if I will add all the three angles, measure of angle E plus measure of angle F plus measure of angle G, it is 180 degree. Its sum is 180 degree. This is property of triangle. All the three angles total is 180 degree. So this is what we will write in bracket, property of triangle. Out of that, two angles I know. Angle F is 65 degree. E I don't know, so E I will keep it as it is. E I want to find out. F is 65 plus G I know it is 45 is equals to 180 degree. Now children, add these two. 65 plus 45 will be 110. So measure of angle E is equals to 65 plus 45, 10, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 110. Now measure of angle E is equals to 180. This plus 110 will go this side, it will become minus 110. So measure of angle is 180 minus 110 will give you 70. So E, how much you got, children? 70 degree. Now we can construct the triangle. Always start with a base. EG is how much? 6 centimeter. So draw EG 6 centimeter. This is your EG 6 centimeter. Now E I already found it out how much it is, 70 degree. So mark it in a scale, with a protractor. 70 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 degree here. Now G is how much? 45 degree. Place on G protractor. From this 0, outside 0, mark 45 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. This is after 45 lines 45. Let them intersect at one point. This is your F. So this is your required triangle EFG. EG was 6 centimeter. EI found it out 70 degree. G 45 degree. And F was given, but no need. We want only these two base angles and one side. So this is your required triangle EFG. Now let's move to the fourth sum. In triangle XYZ, XY is 7.3 centimeter. Measure of angle X is 34 degree. Measure of angle Y is 95 degree. So let's draw the rough figure. Name of the triangle is, if I put it XYZ, YZ I'll get it down, but YZ I don't know. So I have to give the name from here, XYZ. So XY I am getting down. So XY's measurement is 7.3 centimeter. Measure of angle X is 34 degree. And measure of angle Y is 95 degree. So instead of giving name from up, you can give it from down also, XYZ, so that our required things we can get it. So let's draw the base first. XY is 7.3 centimeter. After 3 lines, this is your XY, 7.3 centimeter. Keep it on X. X is 34 degree. Place it properly. 0, 10, 20, 30. After 30, 4 lines. So make a ray. Now place it on Y. From this 0, you have to see for 95. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 95 here. So this is your second ray. Now these are not intersecting, so extend this line to get the. So this is your required triangle X, Y, Z. X was 34 degree and Y was 95 degree and XY was 7.3 centimeters. So these are the 4 sums. Please practice them very well. In next video, I will upload practice set number 5. Till then, goodbye.